Alright, in this video we're going to change the map filter sensor. I've got one of these little steel ones, so stick around and find out how to do it.
I came from the mud, there's dirt on my hands. Strong like a tree, there's roots where I stand.
Go to the back of your intercooler on the 70 series, you'll see get the map filter sensor just down there. So it's a little, it's not too hard to get to on one of these, but yeah, it's a little bit tight. So just to get to it, there's a little bracket. Just pop him off. And there we go. He's off now, so it's a good idea to inspect your vacuum hoses as well. Don't buy those from Toyota because they'll charge you $80 just for a little piece like that. So that's the old one. Now the reason why I'm replacing these obviously can get blocked up. To filter at the end of the day, it is a serviceable item as well. I'm not sure how often you're meant to change them, but being plastic, they can get a little bit of cracks in it. This one seems okay. The little vacuum hoses, they're a little bit they're not too bad, but they're just starting to get a little bit hard. So I've replaced them with a couple of new ones. Another little trick there, just for safety, you can see I've got a couple little cable ties on the ends, and I'll try to get another two on the other end. It's a little bit tight there. Make sure you put it in the right way as well. So what might actually be the reason why you're changing one of these, obviously apart from the cracks being blocked and that, if you're experiencing low power or your turbo's not actually coming on, or there's a boost leak, most likely that will be your first culprit to check. Apart from that, we're all done. I'll give you a look to see what it looks like. Right, so you can see the new metal one there. Obviously it's going to be a bit stronger. It's all in there. Only takes a couple of minutes to change over. Anyway, if you enjoyed the video, give me a like, give me a subscribe. It's a nice quick one, something simple for a change. And I'll catch you on the next video. Catch up.